Namaskara, my name is Abhijith Shankar. So I am the founder of this robotics company called Indoor Air. So we are at the cutting edge of developing robotic technologies. So I would like to thank Kitana sir for having invited me to Avotech 2023 here at the Nimhans Convention Center in Bangalore. So it was very, very nice that I could interact with so many young people out here and who are really enthusiastic about robotics and the future that has in robotics for them as well, and what they have to do and stuff like that. So it was my privilege that I got invited. Thanks to Kitana sir, Srinivas sir, to Natesh and everybody else here. So I could deliver whatever I know about robotics.
Don't go back.
About robotics to the students out here, and I'm sure they really benefited. And what was really, really exciting for me is while in our space, in our office, we develop a lot of cutting edge things. Here, I could actually interact with the next generation and tell them, hey, this is what you can actually look forward to. And I could probably dispel the idea that robotics is something which is very, very ghastly or very bad. So we could kind of get them a little away from that and get them to start thinking how to be more creative and what is the way forward for all of us in this on this planet going forward. So I really loved these 60 minutes of interacting with everybody here. So thank you all, and thank you to all the organizers of Avotech. Thank you so much.
You are
Namaste.
very passionate to deliver all the insights in robotics through this Avotech 2023, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Adok